When can I cut back my gardenia bush? It is over 10 years old and out of shape and getting way too high. And this is Miss Sandra right here in Memphis. So Miss Sandra, we have Jason here who can help us out with that question because I'm sure he knows a little bit about that.
Well, to me, the ideal time to cut it back would be in the spring. You know, when you're trimming things back, unless it's a plant going dormant, which this gardenia, I'm not sure if she's referring to an indoor or an outdoor one, but if it's outdoor, trimming on a little bit now. If it's one she's bringing in, it might encourage some new growth, which you really don't need in the winter time. So if it's coming in the house, I'd wait to spring if you can. And if it's outdoor, maybe trimming a little bit now. Some plants that are marginally hardy that trimming can I guess damage it. Can damage a little bit if you have a cold winter. So I would really prefer to do it in the spring if all possible. Okay.
Here's a question we get at the office a lot. So can they survive our winters?
Well, and your winters are a little different than my winters, being a little further north and east of here. But there are a lot of hardy gardenias in the Memphis area, and even some in Jackson as well. So any plant that's marginal hardy is best spring planted so it gets well established before fall. So if it was in a container now, I wouldn't recommend planting it this fall. I'd wait till spring. And so bring that container in the garage or in the house for the winter and then getting it in the ground in the spring.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.